Welcome, everyone. I'm Serap Avcı. I'm in the team leader position. I'm a member of a very delightful family. Thermomix brings a unique joy. You truly realize its worth and value once you start using it. It's such a pleasure. So wonderful. At home, you can serve all kinds of dishes to your family, friends, and guests perfectly. With the Thermomix TM7, we have a complete transformation. Yes, the motor power and the bowl size haven't changed, but as you see, we're here with magnificent beauty. It has a 10-inch screen now. You can operate it even when your hands are wet, floured, or oily. Think of it like a computer screen. Whatever you type or search here, this device offers you a world of 100,000 recipes. It includes recipes from world-renowned chefs and food scientists. Let's say I think, I can't make tahini. You can. As you see, there are 18 different functions inside the TM7. Talking about the screen, it's larger now, 10 inches in size, very enjoyable and responsive to touch. Even with oily, floured, or wet hands, you can perform all the operations easily. The TM7 has a bowl that can do everything. Yes, the bowl has also been upgraded and improved. Now, even when it's hot, you can easily grab and lift it. It also comes with a new strainer. Yes, the strainer design has changed a bit too. Its form is more elegant. I'll also talk about another new feature of the spatula. It allows you to scrape inside beautifully. So when you're making mayonnaise, you can collect every drop and not leave anything behind. It helps you gather everything perfectly. There's a little notch here. You can see it, I hope. When you hook it in, you can easily lift the strainer out. See? You can cook rice or potatoes inside this strainer. Now, let's come to this beautiful bowl. The blades inside are the same, sharp and effective. One side sharp, one side flat. They've also added a nice new layer of insulation so your hands don't burn. Let me show you how easy it is to remove. It's been simplified. There's a button here. I just push it, and the blade comes right out. Then I remove the bowl. Look, that's it. All these parts are dishwasher safe. As you are aware, our Thermomix features a steaming function. When you make soup, you close the lid, then open the lid on top. My favorite feature is right here, the Varoma. I absolutely love the Varoma. My friends always ask, why do you love it so much? Because it makes my work so much easier. While my soup cooks below, my fish, chicken, or meatballs cook up here. See the holes? You place them here. There's a Varoma tray just like on the TM6. I place the tray, add my vegetables, or line it with baking paper and make a cake. I can already hear you saying, wow! Fish here, cake on baking paper here, and the main lid on top. When you close it, your soup and all your meals cook together in 27 minutes. Everything is dishwasher safe because it's made of polypropylene material. We made Turkish delights here. Let me show you, they're wonderful. This shoot is done by Diyar Diyar TERA. They also travel in their caravan, creating beautiful videos and showcasing the most amazing places. I would like to thank them, as they also assisted us during the TM6 shoot. They were a big support. They also use a Thermomix in their caravan. Please follow them. Stay tuned. Diyar Diyar TERA is an amazing team. Suhail Bey and Fathia Hanım, to whom we send lots of love.